I think I'm about to make somebody's Christmas today. A couple of weeks ago, Vanbanner approached me about giving away a brand new Vanbanner Lee in red, and I said I would absolutely love to do that. So LV has shipped one to me free of charge. Thank you so much, Vanbanner. And now I'm going to give it away today. All you had to do was comment your favorite item on my 12 gifts of Christmas. And let me know what your favorite item was on the secret video. So what I'm going to do is plug in all those names from that secret video, filter out any duplicates, and hit the random button. Before I do that, I want to say a huge thanks to Vanbanner for giving this to the channel. All I'm going to cover is the shipping costs. Let's hope it's in Canada. So here we go. All the names are in the randomizer. The filters are on. We're going to give it a spin and randomly choose our winner. Well, a huge congratulations to our winner of a brand new Vanbanner Lee. That is awesome. I'm going to pin your name down in this video. Now, what I need you to do is get in touch with me. There will be instructions in that pinned post. So follow those instructions. I will verify that it's you, and then I am going to ship you this brand new Vanbanner, and hopefully it will make it in time for Christmas to be under your tree this year. Well, Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, and happy whatever else you might be celebrating this December, even if it's Santa and his tiny reindeer. Now, the best Christmas gift that you could give me this year is a like below and a subscribe. My channel has been growing quite a bit lately, and so I am very thankful to all of you for your support. Some of you have been there from almost the very beginning, so thank you so very much.